Hey y'all, welcome to another video from WreckingNow.com. If you saw my recent video on building a kayak battery box, you saw I had an extra 12-volt outlet to put to use, so I'm putting it in my hunting buggy. The first step is to put the cart in tow and unhook the negative battery terminal. This is a wise tip if you're ever doing any electrical work on a golf cart, just to make sure you don't mess anything up with the controller. I have a Club Car DS, and I simply unscrew the side screws in the dash as I plan to put the USB right beside the battery indicator. Drill a 1-inch hole using a step bit and test fit the USB. And when you're ready, you can add the backing nut to secure it in place. With the USB in place, you can go ahead and add a female disconnect to 2 long lengths of 14 gauge automotive wire. I use a different color for the negative side and a red for the positive so I can tell which side is the positive side. And securely crimp them in place. And then you can run them through the undercarriage. So this is the bottom side of my cart. And I start by just running them through the cart and out the dash. And then when I'm ready, I'll just hook them to the back of the USB. And I haven't cut them off from the coil because I don't know how much wire I'll need. So find the fuse box. And then you can fish the wires out near the fuse box. So with the USB side of the circuit secured and the wire secured on the underside of the cart, I fish the other side through and crimp a spade connection to each side. I'm out of spade connection, so I actually just use ring terminals and then I'll clip them like this, and it serves the same purpose. So this will slide right in like a spade connection. And then just secure the negative side to the negative bus. And then find the positive opening where you can put a fuse in and secure the positive side. And then I use a 10 amp fuse. Then you can just reconnect the negative side of the battery terminal and put the cart back and run. Then all you have to do is confirm power. So put the dash back in and screw it in. And then once you turn the cart on, this particular 12-volt outlet has an on-off switch. So when it's blue, it's on, and then you can just test it comes on and off. And that's really all there is to it. It's pretty easy to do if you already have a fuse box. Hope that helps out someone who needs to add USB supply.